just listening to nature, just sitting. Oh, feet on lay ground. We are within a sixth mass extinction. I heard and I read that 2/3 of North American animals in the next, say, 5 years or something are going to be extinction status, you know? Even, you know, when the monarch butterfly, that very famous butterfly, well known, you know, when you see the picture of the monarch butterfly, I bet you know it. I bet you have seen it before. When something that well known is being said to be, you know, going extinct soon, you got to start to think about it, you know. So anybody who is not is an organic portal, because they don't care about life. They don't seem to care about other sentient beings, because they are only the ego. There is no porous nature to their ego. They are only the ego. There's no light body. There's no id, steward of the light body. So they don't care, because the ego seeks to continually separate. And plus, they don't think for themselves. They don't think vertically, oh, well, what if this? What if that? They don't seem to think properly. I don't know, that's the way I seem to realize organic portals, that they're just, you know, they are the system. What we call the beast riding the machine and the surface virus. And like I said, the ego just seeks to continually separate. And it's just like they don't care. There's no energy, motion, emotionality. They're very inert beings. There's no inner wind. Definitely no chi, life force energy. Oh, it's sad.